Queen Elizabeth II's 97-year-old husband was recovering Friday at the Royal Sandringham estate after the Land Rover he was driving rolled on a nearby highway in a collision with another vehicle. Witness Roy Warne told the BBC he was driving home from work when the accident involving Prince Philip's black Land Rover and a compact car unfolded in front of him. Warne said he helped free a baby from the second car, a Kia, before helping the prince out of his vehicle, which was lying on its side. "I saw a car, a black Land Rover, come out from a side road, and it rolled and ended up on the other side of the road," Warne said. "I saw it careering, tumbling across the road and ending up on the other side." Warne found Philip trapped in the car, but persuaded him to move one leg at a time to get out. He then pulled him out of the Land Rover through the windscreen or sunroof. The prince was able to immediately stand and walk around. He was obviously shaken, and then he went and asked if everyone else was all right, Warne said. Police conducted breath tests on the drivers after the accident shortly before 3 p.m. Thursday. Both tested negatively. The driver of the Kia, a 28-year-old woman, suffered cuts to her knee while her passenger, a 45-year-old woman, suffered a broken wrist. Both were taken to the hospital and sent home. A 9-month-old baby in the Kia was not injured. The prince was checked by a doctor after the accident and determined to be fine, Buckingham Palace said. "We are aware of the public interest in this case. However, as with any other investigation, it would be inappropriate to speculate on the causes of the collision until an investigation is carried out," Norfolk Constabulary said in a statement. By coincidence, authorities in the area had planned to consider improving safety on the road, the A149. Norfolk County Council will discuss reducing the speed limit on the road from 60 miles per hour to 50 miles per hour and installing safety cameras. Philip has largely retired from public life, but is well known for his fierce independence and his love of cars. He has seemed to be in generally good health in recent months. He and Elizabeth, 92, have been on an extended Christmas vacation at Sandringham, one of her favorite rural homes.